going to be making flapjack, but it's cherry flapjack today. And in the bowl I've got butter, which the butter can go into another bowl, which you're going to microwave, with some golden syrup. Put some golden syrup in. That's it, good stuff. Like that. And the dry ingredients goes into the mixing bowl. And in there you've got oats, sugar, and obviously cherries, glacé cherries. You can use all sorts of different types of products in flapjack, whatever you like. Right, we'll get it on the machine. Right, next stage, I've just microwaved the butter and golden syrup. Pour that into the bowl, like that. And then get your beater. Give it a good stir around with the beater. Or you can do it with your hand if you want, or a spoon, or whatever you want. It's really easier to do with the end of the beater. Give it a good stir around. Get all the loose stuff all mixed into the butter and the sugar. There you go. Right, and now we'll pop that onto the machine bowl for about a minute. Mix it in the bowl and actually on the machine. Right, we'll start it off on first speed. It's just easier doing it by machine than by hand. Right guys, next stage. Silicone paper at the bottom. Clean off the beater. That can be used again then for anything else with oats or whatever. Right. Take out the oats, the mixture. And again, your bowl can actually be reused again for other flapjacks. But be very careful if you're using nuts. Make sure it's level with the paper. Once you've leveled it out lightly, dip your hands in water, like that, and literally pat them down. And then that's ready for the oven. Hi guys, and the next stage is baking the flapjacks. And oven temperature is around about 375 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Load up the oven. We'll see in a bit when they're baked. There are guys, all out and baked. Hi guys, this is the cherry flapjack, just cooled. Take them out. Now we're going to mark them up and cut them up. Take off the edges. I always find the edges are nice to put in the shop or in a coffee shop or both as samples. People just love them. because they're free. I wonder why. Don't mark them up. Chop them up. Always make sure you've got a really good sharp knife. It does help.